Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your internet connection if you need to, if you're having trouble with your Wi-Fi. This is assuming you've already rebooted your router and you know that's working. Maybe you've tested it with your phone, but for some reason your computer is still not working. So you're running Windows 10 presumably, but this will work with most versions of Windows as far back as Windows 7. So what I usually do is I'll go to my search bar here because we're using Windows 10, so that's kind of handy. Type in CMD, and that'll give you a command line. Now I'm going to type ipconfig to see what I got here. Now it tells me I got a valid IP address right here, so 192.168.1.73. That's my IP address for my computer here. So I'm going to try pinging, say google.com. Now it shows me that I've got 0% packet loss. I've sent 4 packets, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've lost 0, so 0% loss. That's a good thing. That means everything's working. Maybe I want to check the site I was trying to go to, so I'll check my website. See if it's up and running. Oops, what did I do that for? Okay, ping to link.com. So this tells me everything's working. My website's working, the internet's working, Wi-Fi is working. So that's all good. Now if it wasn't working, so I'm just going to make it so that it's not working. So I'm going to release my IP address. I'm going to check it again. Now here's the difference. I don't have an IP address at all. Sometimes it'll give you like if your computer is having trouble connecting to the internet, Windows will automatically give you like a 169 IP address. It'll be something 169. It'll be start with 169. So that way you know it's not a valid IP address. So if you see nothing or an IP address that starts with 169, means you got issues. So okay, so we got what we're gonna do is go IP can big renew. Now I got a valid IP address. Ping. Oops. %. Loss. Okay, I'm gonna mimic what it's like when we got no internet connection. So right now I got internet. What we can do too is go in airplane mode. Where's airplane mode? Let's go airplane mode. So Wi-Fi is turned off. Okay, so this is like if this happens, you accidentally turned it in, put it in Wi-Fi mode or airplane mode, and you're trying to figure out what's wrong. So let's go ping Google. Should get nothing. There we go. The trouble is my Windows 10 kept fixing itself like right away, so it wasn't doing what I wanted it to. So now let's go IP config. We're gonna have nothing. IP config all, and still nothing. Okay, so even if you do IP config renew with airplane mode on, it's not going to work, right? So we know something's wrong. So let's turn that off. So let's go back to Wi-Fi. Airplane mode's off. It says I'm connected and secured. So let's just run the test again. Oh, and yes, we got a valid IP address. Everything looks good. Let's ping Google again. Yeah, so I like how Windows fixes itself when you don't want it to. So anyways, that was kind of funny. So anyways, that's all I got. Just hope you find this useful, and If you have any questions, just give me a shout out in the comments section. And if you like this video, so I can keep making more of these, just press the like button and pass it on to your friends if you think they could use it, because I know I got a couple of friends that definitely could use this. Okay, thank you, and see you next time.